it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and I've got a Fat Quarter Shop box. Yay! Let's find out what's inside. I actually ordered this the other night when I had gotten a notification. Well, it was an email from them saying that this fabric had just become available. And you'll see I already have a pattern to go with this fabric, but when I saw the fabric was available, I have to have it. It is so beautiful. And oof, I'm excited. Do you recognize it? It is the Robin Pickens line, the new one, and it is Forest Frolic. Let's open it up and kind of take a look at some of these. Oof, does not want to open. Oh, the colors in this are just stunning. Wow, it's so fall and festive and beautiful. Okay, let's see. Ooh, the little acorns. I'm not gonna unbundle it just yet, but we will probably have to once I figure out what I'm going to make with it, because I think that table runner will just be a bonus project that I get out of this after I've done a quilt. But once we figure out what I'm going to use this for, I will have to do a sew along with it. It's so pretty. This whole line, it's got all of the leaves and the flowers and acorns and mushrooms. Oh my goodness. And these little birds, and try and get a different angle of that one because it has these adorable little chickadee type birds on it, and I don't think I can get a corner view of that at all to where you can see it. I guess right here you can kind of see a corner of that little bird. Isn't he cute? Oh my gosh. And I just can't help it. This whole line just speaks to my soul. It is just beautiful. I don't know how quickly I'm going to be able to make something out of this because it looks so pretty by itself, even without, oh, there's that little bird again in a different color. You can kind of see him better here. But, oh, you know, sometimes you just have to give it a little bit of time to sit on your shelf and be pretty like that before you sew with it. I'm kind of thinking this might end up being one of those lines, but ooh. Oh my gosh. And although I'm definitely going to have to get the backing fabric for whatever I'm going to make before it sells out, because I know Fat Quarter Shop has already sold out of the fabric that I wanted as my backing fabric. So I'm going to have to source it somewhere else. But they're all so pretty. So beautiful. Even the blenders just look so nice in this line. I can't get enough of it. It's beautiful. Oh, you can kind of see one of the mushrooms right here. Isn't that just so cute? I love it. This is the way that I like things to be styled, where it's not super realistic, but it's realistic in a drawn or painted way, but not in a this is a printing of a picture kind of way, if that makes sense. I did get a couple of other little goodies while I was at it. So I got this, which is Maple by Gabriel Neal Design, Riley Blake. So this happened to be one of the deals of the day, and I think it was like $3 for a charm pack, and I thought this was such a pretty line. I can't even get into this. I thought this was a really pretty line, and I've kind of been looking at it here and there for a while, but hadn't really committed to it yet. So I figured for $3 for a charm pack, I will get it and we will take a look. And even if I only get a small project out of it, it'd still be cool. I like these leaves, pink leaves on the pumpkin-y color. It's really pretty. And oh, look at this. The white leaves on pink. I like that a lot. Is that? No, it's not a metallic. I was wondering if it was because it kind of has that color. Oh, look at the little pie. So cute. This is really cute too with all of the leaves. Since I only have the one charm pack, I'm going to need some ideas for what to use it for. If you have any good ideas for this, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to check them out. And oh, look, we've got purples now. Because I'd like to see what you guys would do with this. Or if you've already used it, maybe let me know that too. This is a really cute line. And we've got that one. All right. I'm still in love with that Robin Pickens one at the beginning. All right. And last, but certainly not least, we've got Yoder. This is the Cozy Up Petite Fat Quarter Bundle. So it's not the full line, but this is what Fat Quarter Shop still had left. My local quilt shop doesn't have any of the Fat Quarter bundles for the Cozy Up. I think this was last year's fall line. And I don't know that I even really need to go through these ones because you can kind of see them already from the way that they're laid out. But they're really, really pretty and cozy, and I thought this would be a perfect farmhouse kind of vibe, which of course I really enjoy. But yep, I had realized I didn't have anything from this line and I wanted it, and oh, look at that one on the back. I think this is my favorite one from the line. I mean, I really like that one. What was your favorite item? Is it the charm pack, the Fat Quarter bundle, or the Petite Fat Quarter bundle? I'm not sure. I think it's going to be between these two. They're both beautiful, and I love the colors on both of them. They're pretty in very different ways. So, all right, thanks for joining me, and please remember to like and subscribe. I can never get that out right. Sorry. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.